Hello everybody, my name is Thor Young. I'm a moderator at Bear Bull Traders, and I would like to do a recap for you on my trade today. Had an awesome trade on AMD today. I want to talk to you about why I took it long, where I took it, and how I nailed this entry on AMD for a really nice run. I'm all out already captured double my goal for the day, so I'm really happy about that. So I want to go through that a little bit. Before I do, if you have a moment, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and ring that bell. And if you're ever so kind, throw me a little like. I appreciate it. So on to the trade. So the first thing we have here, if you look down at the bottom on my 5-minute chart on AMD, is AMD had a beautiful breakout today. AMD is in Catalyst. I love AMD and how it trades when we're in Catalyst. AMD just had a fantastic break, really did its thing. Catalyst was a new processor deal with making some clouds for Google, I believe. So really good stuff. So if you look back to yesterday, and it's why it's really important to look at your historical value, one thing you'll notice here, we have value here, right, over the course of the past few days, right, and it sets up pretty high, right around 85, but if you go back to yesterday, you'll notice that right about here, right down near where my S3 level is today, you'll notice that there was a really big support that came in and it bought up and rallied from there. So this is the level that I'm going to be looking at for the open. So if you come up to my 1-minute chart here, what you'll see is in the beginning open of the day, we were downtrending a little bit. So I wanted to let it sell off and see what happened. And on my level 2, happened to be at 83.50, I had a really large bid sitting down there. So I was like, this looks like a good spot. So I waited for it to come into that bid. When I trade, I always use a where, when, and how kind of method. So I identified that as a where I wanted to enter. My win is if it does what I think it's going to do, right? So it goes down, it hits that bid, and then bounces. All right, now I've got everything I need, and then the how, of course, is how I enter and manage it. I went long here. I just used the stop, was just the loss of my entry candle. No reason to hold it any further than there. Got a really good pop-up, dropped 10% at 2 to 1, 10% at 4 to 1, and then dropped 30% at about 5 to 1. And it was really nice pop. Did a big add here as we came back into VWAP and value and played it all the way up to the daily level. I went all out when it lost the daily level, and as you can see, it's trended back down to VWAP. It might bounce here and go back up, might still be good for a long today. I'm not really sure. We didn't climax out, but I've already got a big trade. I'm already double my daily goal, like I said, so I'm certainly not going to be re-entering. I got the good move, as it were. So quick little recap on this. If you have any questions, please comment below, throw them in there. I'm happy to talk about it over the weekend. But I wanted to get in here and show you guys a real nice trade on AMD that I did. It's a one and done today, and I wanted to see or show you the things that I was looking for here to plan this trade. Mainly a key value area from yesterday that I was really looking at to see if the bid would hold there. The level 2 had large bids there, giving me a location I wanted to pay attention to. And then the stock hit it, supported, and then started to make new highs, right? All factors that make it a lot easier to feel confident getting into your trades. So I hope everyone has a great day, and as always, keep it green.